Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply connect Google Analytics with your Webnode page. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to right top corner to settings, and here you're gonna see one thing, and it's Google Analytics. And here you want to click connect account, and to do that you need to upgrade the plan. So you will have a link in it down below in the description that you can click on. And then you just have to upgrade the plan, and then you can simply connect it. Or another way is when you would add the HTML code to header. This is another way how we can add Google Analytics to your page if you want to go around it. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.